See that thing sticking out? Put your foot on.
I can't.
It's just
I
like
can record it.
6 inches. There you go. Okay. Now you're set. You're set to launch.
Wait. Yeah, get that out of the way.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You do it.
You can do it.
You got this.
Ron,
Before the film time runs out.
you can do this.
We got 12 minutes. Let's go.
I can't do this, you guys.
You're
can
already
do it,
up here. It's the
Marissa.
easiest part is getting up here.
Come on.
Marissa.
Marissa. Marissa.
Marissa.
Just jump off. Just throw yourself off, and you're good.
Make us proud.
Come on.
Let go when you're on the other end, though.
Like, hold on to it really tight.
Just lean off.
There you go.
Yeah.
Go. Just keep your arms like this, and all you gotta do is let go when you're over the water.
Come on,
Fine,
Marissa.
You got it.
In the rocking chair.
You're so close.
Okay, that's what I did.
Just push off to the side. Come on.